Hey, get your lawn on, everybody. Week 3 of spring. It is fine and dandy. Very nice weather here at the moment. 22 degrees today. We've had a few good days. The grass is starting to grow. It's good times ahead. So in this video, I'm going to go through what I'm going to be doing a week before my renovation. So it's basically a nice cut with the R22G from MowMaster at 12mm and a fertilise. So it's just basically a cut and a fertilise just to keep things going and get the nutrition into the plant before the renovation. I'm going to take a look at a nice cheap option for a backpack sprayer, which is in the order of about 60 to 70 bucks and does the trick nicely. So there's lots in this video. Let's get your lawn on. Alright, so I've been following my program and that's available on lawnpornonline.com. A couple of weeks ago did the moist thing with the Hero for helping the moisture to stay in the ground and be in the ground and everything like that, and the Hero to really add to the soil health, and also put down the 4 seasons. So this is a couple of weeks before I'm doing my renovation. I'm doing my renovation on the 1st of October this year. Last week I put down some charger. Also had a couple of little broadleaf weeds coming up, especially near the veranda here, but you know, that's fine. I've treated that with bow and arrow and they're slowly starting to go. So today what I'm going to be doing is a mow with the cylinder mower. Now just mow it to encourage it to, you know, thicken up that little bit and let it know that it's spring. It's been a weird spring, very wet and cold. This is surprisingly a sunny day with not much wind. I'll be able to straight away after I've done the cut with the mower, I'll be able to fertilise, and this will be launch and root builder at a higher rate. Now some people have sort of asked me, why are we just fertilising like the week before that you're doing a mow? Right, well that fertiliser will go straight into the leaf. It's not in the soil. We've got the 4 seasons in the background working in the soil, so you know that'll be there and that'll help the plant overall, because it's in the plant and it's got everything that it needs. So when we do this big renovation next week, you know, that'll be in the system, so to speak. So this lawn will really take off. I'm really looking forward to this renovation next week because the lawn is really at the level that I really want it. So it's going to be a nice light top dress, and that will mean that it'll be a very quick recovery, especially if the weather starts getting warmer, which it has just done a little bit. It's 21 today, so enjoying that. Alright, well enough yabbering, I'll get straight into the mow. How about that? There, I've already got a full bucket, so she's grown. So you can see I'm taking a lot of leaf off. You know, I just took a whole bucket off of just the front here. She's looking a little bit bruisey in some parts. That's because I've let it grow too long and I'm cutting more than the 1/3 rule. So the grass is really starting to grow. This is a great indication that my reno is ready and waiting. So next week's going to be an adventure, that's for sure. And half a bucket there, so yeah, she's pretty crazy. Okay, so I was at Stratco last week. I had a number of people come up to me and say, look, I want a cheap sprayer. Yep, it's great that I've got the BA Greenskeeper sprayer. That's about a $4,000 odd sprayer. So people just want to know what's a cheap sprayer that's good And this one is, you know, it's you know, backpack sprayers for quality ones, you're looking at around about, you know, the $200 mark. This is about 60 or 70, I think, and ticks all the boxes. It's great. Comes with a bunch of nozzles. Whoop, there you go, bunch of nozzles. I've got the flat fan nozzle on here, and it's a good construction. It's a pump sprayer, cap, got a filter basket in there, so you put your chemicals in there, mix them about, no problems. Pump action, it's not an electrical one. Now, you probably heard me say that I don't like the electrical ones. They can have a lot of problems. If the, you know, if the battery goes on it, if the pump goes on it, you're in the creek. So for, you know, small gardens, a pump backpack sprayer is fine. The straps are fairly good quality. Black on black probably doesn't really help you much, but look, they're very, very simple. You don't get it across the chest strap or across the belly strap to sort of firm it up. And yeah, I just wish with this one they made it a little bit longer, because I'm a big fella. But yeah, this will fit most situations for most people. Yeah, let's do an application with this, and our application is going to be launched 70 mils root builder 70 mils. I've got some water prepared, so I'll go get that. 5 litres of water for this area, so I'm just going to put half the amount of the water in, or thereabouts. Wacky do. Put it through the filter basket, and I already see there's a couple of little grass seeds in there that it's caught, which is, it's doing its thing. Mils of launch. $70 mils of root builder. Fantastic. In she goes. Put in the rest of my water. Nice. Get a stick in there and give it a bit of a agitate. Actually, I might do that. I'll be back. Alright, I've just found a bit of poly extender pipe. Couldn't find anything. Give it a good little mix. Cool. Excellent, let's go spraying. Pump action's nice and easy. It's not a problem. Like I said before, it's a great sprayer for like 70 bucks. Just the plastics feel a little bit cheaper, but look, doing the trick. Flat fan nozzle, easy to use. Get your lawn on. If you're enjoying the content here on Lawnporn, be sure to like and subscribe. This is a great cheap sprayer, and make sure to check out my videos in the next few weeks, because we're going to be doing the renovation of this front lawn, and it's going to be an absolute cracker. Get your lawn on.